Welcome back, everybody. It's February 5th. It is about 12:30 in the afternoon on a Wednesday. And I just wanted to throw this little clip up here. It's a little how-to video to install these bark busters that I purchased. My old handguards, they weren't really bark busters. Bark busters are the kind that hook to your handlebar, they wrap around, and then they hook to the ends of your handlebar, providing you a lot of protection in case your hand area strikes a tree. It won't hurt your fingers. Now, the ones I had on before were just, I guess I would consider them like brush guards. A brush guard will also protect your hand, right? That's the right way. A brush guard will protect your hand when it's behind it like this, but it's only mounted one spot. So it does flex. It can flex a lot like this and still get your fingers. Now, I like to run these because they're super, super light. I hate adding weight. You've heard me talk about it before. When all my family was into quads, all these guys are adding skid plates and Nerf bars and all this stuff, and you can add like 100 pounds to a bike like that. And to the Razor, I try not to add too much. You know, I see guys adding armor underneath and all these extra tools and things. So with a dirt bike, it's the same theory for me. I don't like adding weight. So these are really light, and that's why I used them. The problem I have now is, since we installed a manual compression release because of the new high compression motor in there, these don't fit because the manual compression release hardware are in the way of these. Even though these were on in the last ride, they were just getting in the way, all dorky. I couldn't get to the compression release that well. So I opted to take these off and put these on. I purchased the Acerbis X Factory handguards, and I'm going to install them right now. So I just wanted to make a quick installation video for anybody out there that's installing these bark buster type of handguards. These were really reasonably priced. A lot of these are, 100 and up. These were in the $70 range, which I feel was really reasonable. And they are heavier than these. I would say they're like at least 1.5 pounds each, but that's just going to be added protection because all that is the structure, nice and sturdy. So we're going to go ahead and throw these on here so you can see how it's done and how they look. They look great on this old machine. Keep inhaling.
Is it working?
It works.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let me try.
Okay. Oh, okay. I'm not sure if it's working. Is it working?
That is so funny.
You sound like you shrunk.
One little last note, since I put up the 365 video last week, I've had a lot of people message me about it. I am going to put that video out, I promise. I know I've made a lot of video promises that never materialized, but this one is special to me and it's going to happen. The next thing I'm doing right now is I'm disassembling the used wheels. I'm sending in the hubs. I am working with a sticker kit designer. I'm still not sure if I'm going to do that or not, but all that has to come together for it to be all done. I'm going to repaint the frame, or at least touch up the frame, repaint some other parts, install some new decals, so when I get the wheels and I get everything back together, it looks like it just rolled off the showroom floor, and then I'm going to do the final 365 video. So stay tuned for that.